So this is the new xbull XRS. Let's see what's in the box. Got very thin instrucciones. Cable. Mounting hardware. Stainless. Well, that's heavy. Nice chunky hook. Strap. Okay. Alright. Looks like the control box and remote. Cables are all connected with a zip tie. Remote is wireless. Yep, comes pre-charged. Okay. Nice. Clear lead. This is twice the size of that. Oh yeah, it sticks. And get this guy out of here. Ooh. Yeah. All right. And that's what's in the box. So it looks pretty good. Stay tuned for install and update.